If you're having a hard time with knowing what to say on video for your business, it's okay. When it comes to learning a new skill, you're going to be unfamiliar with it. And what I can tell you from experience is the more that you practice, the better that you're going to get at it. However, there is a structure, there is a formula to follow for video marketing for your business, and you want to structure it as the following. So you may want to actually get a pen and a piece of paper and write this down. First, you want to have the introduction. And the introduction doesn't have to be something super fancy. It could be something like, hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to another video. And the introduction could be something as simple as that. So you don't want to spend too much time on your introduction. Just introduce yourself. You can even ask, how's it going? And then just say, welcome to another video. And then after the introduction, you want to go straight into the problem. So I'll give you an example. Let's say I'm making a video about, can you build an affiliate marketing business for free? So let's say that's my video topic. This is how I would do the video. Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to another video. Have you been researching online and attempting to answer the question, can you build an affiliate marketing business for free without investing any money into it? I know you've been searching all around the internet looking for free courses, free affiliate marketing programs in which you can maximize earnings without having to invest into them. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you why that is an error way of thinking going into this business. So that's how you would go into the problem segment. You'd be talking about the problem. And then what you would do is go into the solution. So let's say for this video, I continue on and I go into the solution. What I can say about this is the following. So if you're one of those people looking for ways to get involved in building an affiliate marketing business for free, the reality of it is it's not possible. You cannot get something for nothing. You got to be willing to invest in this business, not only financial wise, but you also got to invest into your intellectual capital. You got to be willing to build skill sets and take action on those skill sets every single day in order to get closer to producing the results that you're looking for. So that's how I would talk about the solution part of the video. Then what I would do is I would give a call to action. So let's say I'm shooting the video and I've already talked about the video topic at hand. Then I'll end the video with, I trust you got a ton of value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to download my free report on my beginner's cheat sheet for video marketing down below this video. Or in this case, I would talk about affiliate marketing. So I would encourage the viewer to check out my link via either a free lead magnet, in this case, a free report, or I would just like direct them to check out the marketing resources that I have below the video and to select the one that best fits their needs. Then I would close out with that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, whatever time zone that you're watching this from. And I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care and all the absolute best. Now, that's how I would structure my video. So I would have an introduction. I would have introduced the problem, introduce the solution, and then give a call to action on what you want the viewer to do next.